We can record the screen on Mac without using any third-party software. So, hold down the keys Command plus Shift plus 5 at the same time to record the screen. So, I pressed the shortcut, Command plus Shift plus 5, and this window appears. We can see the option here, click it. It doesn't matter whether you want to record 10 seconds or 5 seconds. Unlimited recordings are allowed. I'm going to browse using Google Chrome. Here is my LinkedIn profile. Click on YouTube and my channel. As you can see, I have a lot of content on my channel. It will be recorded. The next step is to open the email. In the email box, you can see the navigation bar. I'm closing my browser and deleting 2 items from my desktop. Now we will stop the recording. Let's review what we recorded. Click on it. During the last few minutes, we visited the following websites: LinkedIn, YouTube, and Outlook. So, this is the easiest method of recording the screen on a MacBook. If you like, then subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.